Kurt, thank you kasi nag-approach ka sa akin, nag-message ka. Kasi kung hindi kita makikilala. Walang kikilalaning papa yung anak ko. Thank you for the past 10 years. Naging maayos ka sa amin mag-ina. Sobrang saya ko ngayon na finally, kakasal na tayo.
Babe, thank you sa 10 years nating pagsasama. Hindi ka sumuko sa tigas ng ulo ko. At maraming salamat sa efforts, sa lahat ng bagay sa mga bagay na pinagdaanan ko, lahat yun nasa likod kita. Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Kakasal ka na, siyempre ibang buhay na to. And makabait ka lalo, isipin mo lagi yung pamilya mo. Congrats on your wedding day.
Alright, this is your big day. Kailangan tabahan.
Hindi lang yung parents natin yung nagiging saksi ng love natin, pati na rin yung mga kamag-anak natin. Kurt, today I stand before you in front of our families with my heart overflowing with gratitude and love. Thank you for loving me completely and for embracing my daughter Dominic as your own. From the moment she called you Papa, you have been her guiding light and source of love, strength, and for that I will always and forever be grateful.
Sa 8 bilyong nakasilong, ikaw ang aking nakasalubong. Ating awit ay iginuhit ng langit.
Sa tinagal namin ni Andrea, wala naman na akong iba pang hinahanap. Actually, lahat nasa kanya. Very matured woman siya. Asikaso, walang bisyo. Ayun, mga ganong bagay. Alaga.
Paano nangyari sa akin na patingin sa libo-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawari ikaw para sa'kin.
Today, I vow to continue fighting for us and for the family that we have built, for the love that brought us here. I promise to always be your friend as we have always been. I believe that love may fade, but the foundation of our friendship will not. And through that, we will keep our love alive and burning.
Kung kalawakan man ang pagitan, tadhana
Andrea, 사랑해.
Oo. Mahal ka namin, Naka. Magtagal kayo sa pagsasama niyo. Huwag kayong mag-away palagi, Love you na.
Higit sa lahat, ang pag-ibig may puso at damdamin, hindi yan manhid ni sasaktan. Pero marunong magpatawad at tumanggap sa katotohanan. That's why love conquer all. Love accept also.
My soon-to-be wife, Andrea Santiago. I wanna say thank you for everything and for the efforts you put into our marriage, for all the special things you do. I just want you to know that I didn't marry you so that I could live with you. I married you because I can live without you. I may not be your first date, your first kiss, or your first love, but I just want to be your last in everything.
Di ka na kun wakunwaring akin. Paano nangyari sa'kin na patingin sa libo-libong mga bituin? Di ko mawari, ikaw para sa'kin. Dalangin kita.
I choose you today and for every day that follows. I will cherish, support, and love you in all the ways you deserve.
Just remember that I love you and will always be here for you, no matter what. From this day on until forever, you're my entire life and my better person just for knowing you. I will spend an eternity loving you, caring for you, respecting you, showing you every day that I hold you as high as the stars.